Alright, what's good, YouTube? It's the plant-based billionaire back again with another video. I know it's been a while. I'm out here in Hollywood. I moved to LA. Anyways, I've been seeing this Popeyes chicken sandwich every time I click on my phone, all social media sites, everything, versus Chick-fil-A. I've never had Chick-fil-A. And I never had the chicken sandwich from Popeyes either, because I'm vegan. So I'm like, damn, what can I do? It was been on my mind all day. I'm like, I'm gonna go to Veggie and I'm gonna get a chicken sandwich because, you know, I want one. And I'm gonna make a video of it and I'm gonna let you guys know how it tastes. And that's that. So yeah, let me flip the camera around and show you guys that. So right here we got the Santa Fe chicken sandwich. We got the onions, tomato, lettuce, nice bun, smashed avocado, some rare looking island, what do you call this shit? I don't know. And the chicken patty. Got the fries, and that's barbecue sauce, believe it or not. Excuse my quality, I'm out here. It's kind of dark. There's Veggie. Let me rub this smashed avocado down. Really want to hit it with a little bit of barbecue. Hold up. That's what I'm rocking. Let's go ahead and get a bite of it. You see that? Fire. That was really good. And that bite, I got no meat though. Or meat, you know. Let me see. It's amazing. The sauce, the crispy chicken, the bun, the tomato, it all balances out perfect. I don't know, man. I think Veggie Grill is shitting on Popeyes and Chick-fil-A, if I do say so myself. Haven't tried one, but you know, had a little avocado on my hand. But nah, this is really good, honestly. It's like you don't even need to make a video, you can just come and just eat this shit, you know. Check overalls. See the beanie? You see the chicken sandwich. Man, it's fire. Even if you eat meat and you're not vegan or vegetarian, whatever, I'd recommend trying it. If you're anywhere near a Veggie Grill, try it. And if Veggie Grill, if somehow you see this, you know, let's do some business, let's talk about it. I think together we can do great things. Alright, well I'm gonna stop recording. I'm gonna just go ahead and finish eating. This is fire. Alright, so I just left Veggie Grill. amazing experience. I really, I gotta expand my vocabulary, my vernacular, so I can really describe this food. But just know that it was great. On a scale from 1 to 10, it was a 10 for sure. And I'll be coming here way more often than necessary, because it's amazing. But yeah, let's just walk around real quick. Let's talk. Feel me? Got the salon right there. It's after hours. We're out here after hours. But I don't know. I think it's kind of crazy the way that chicken sandwich shit blew up. I don't honestly too like I said, my vocabulary. I'm very particular with my words because I know the power of words. So I'm gonna stop saying shit to describe stuff. Just a random thought. But anyways, I think that the Popeyes thing is crazy. The way everybody was lining up. The ads or something like that was doing 23 million. They put in 23 million to promote it. It's really crazy. But honestly, whatever happened or whatever it was, it worked. Because it even got me over here going to Veggie Grills trying a chicken sandwich. So they're doing something right. And it's kind of crazy the way, everybody's walking around. I kind of take a break. But the way that society works, like soon as that shit, okay, I told you I was gonna stop saying shit. But as soon as something gets big and everybody starts posting it, everybody has to try it, I don't know. It like got stuck in my subconscious mind. And I was thinking about a chicken sandwich all day. That's crazy. It wasn't to the point where I was gonna think about trying an actual chicken sandwich, but to the point where I had to go to Veggie Grill and get the vegan chicken sandwich, you know what I mean? So, I don't know, I think that's funny. I think it's cool, and I think it's crazy that it even got me to do it, because I'm not saying I'm any different from anyone else, but a lot of the time I feel like I don't, follow all the trends or everything that's going on right then and there. But I'm only human. And I'm glad you guys did that shit with Popeyes, because it just made me realize how great Veggie Grill is again. I've been there before, and I think I've actually tried that sandwich before, but I needed to reaffirm that for sure. So yeah, that's a little bit. Just a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I gotta get back on my video game. But not video games. It's a plant-based billionaire.